Every year, something magical happens. Green forests transform into seas of red, yellow, and orange. It's autumn, the season of cozy sweaters, crunchy leaves, and pumpkin spice everything. But, have you ever stopped to ask, why do leaves change color in autumn? What's going on inside those trees? Let's slow down, take a walk through the forest, and explore the simple science behind this beautiful transformation. To understand why leaves change, we first need to know what they do. During spring and summer, leaves are like little power plants. They take in sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide from the air, and turn it into food for the tree. This process is called photosynthesis, which simply means making food from light. Inside each leaf is a special chemical called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is what makes leaves green. It also helps absorb sunlight and turn it into energy. Basically, no chlorophyll means no green and no food. So in the warm months, trees keep producing lots of chlorophyll to stay alive and growing. But as summer fades and autumn begins, a few big things start to happen. The days get shorter, the temperatures cool down, and there's less sunlight for the leaves to work with. The tree starts to prepare for winter. Think of it like a restaurant at the end of the day. It starts shutting down its kitchen. In the same way, the tree begins to stop food production. And that means it doesn't need chlorophyll anymore. As the chlorophyll breaks down and disappears, the green color fades away. And here's the cool part. Those bright yellow and orange colors were always there. They were just hidden under the green. These hidden pigments are called carotenoids, the same stuff that gives carrots their orange color. Now that chlorophyll is gone, carotenoids finally get their moment in the spotlight. But wait, what about the red and purple leaves? Those colors don't come from hidden pigments. They're new pigments made in the fall. Trees like maples produce anthocyanins, the pigments that give leaves deep reds, pinks, and purples. Why do trees make these? Scientists are still figuring it out, but here are some cool theories. Anthocyanins might help protect leaves from sunlight while the tree finishes its fall process. They might deter bugs or pests from attacking, or maybe they help the tree recover nutrients before the leaf falls. It's like nature's final farewell party, bright, colorful, and surprisingly smart. As fall continues, the tree starts to cut off the connection between the leaves and its branches. This is called abscission, but let's keep it simple. It's the tree saying, "Thanks for your help, leaf. You can rest now." Eventually the leaves fall. Why? Because during winter it's harder for the tree to support them. There's less water, less sunlight, and freezing temperatures. By dropping its leaves, the tree saves energy and protects itself through the cold months. Not all trees turn the same color, and that's not by accident. Maples often turn brilliant red or orange. Birch trees go golden yellow. Oaks usually shift to brown or deep red. Each type of tree has different amounts of pigments, and reacts differently to light, temperature, and even the soil. That's why fall forests are such a colorful patchwork. In some countries like the United States, Canada, Japan, or parts of Europe, fall is a full-blown color show. In tropical places, though, many trees stay green year-round. Why? Because tropical trees don't deal with freezing winters. They don't need to shut down or drop leaves, so they just keep growing. So the autumn leaf change, it's actually a survival trick for trees that live in cold places. So the next time you're walking through a forest of golden leaves, or watching red maple leaves swirl in the wind, remember, it's not just pretty. It's a sign of trees preparing for winter, saving energy, and showing off a burst of color before taking a long nap. Nature is smart, and autumn is its way of saying goodbye in style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your curious friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, beautiful science. Stay curious, and see you next season.